creating a beautiful home landscape with a flower stand. Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll share creative tips and ideas on how you can make a unique and beautiful home landscape using one simple yet stunning feature: a flower stand. Whether you have a big yard, a small balcony, or even an indoor space, a flower stand can completely transform your home garden. Choosing the right flower stand. The first step is to choose a flower stand that matches your style and space. You can go for wooden stands for a rustic feel, metal stands for a modern look, or wrought iron designs for elegance. If you're into DIY, you can even repurpose old ladders, crates, or shelves into charming flower stands. Remember, the stand itself should be sturdy, weather-resistant, and complement your overall garden theme. Picking the perfect flowers. Next, select flowers that match both your stand style and your desired color theme. For a vibrant and cheerful vibe, mix petunias, geraniums, and marigolds. For a soft, romantic touch, try roses, hydrangeas, and lavender. You can also mix flowering plants with leafy greens like ferns and pothos to add texture. And here's a tip: use plants with different blooming seasons so your flower stand stays colorful year-round. Arranging your flower stand. When arranging your flower stand, think about height, color balance, and plant variety. Place taller plants or trailing vines, like ivy or jasmine, on the top shelves, so they cascade down beautifully. Keep medium-height blooms in the middle and smaller, colorful flowers on the lower shelves. Try alternating pot colors and plant types to make your arrangement look dynamic instead of uniform. Adding decorative touches. Your flower stand doesn't have to be just about plants. Add small garden ornaments, fairy lights, or painted pots to make it extra charming. You could even place a small water feature or lantern nearby to create a cozy and inviting focal point. Decorative pebbles at the base of the stand also make the display look neat and polished. Placement and care. Decide where to place your flower stand for maximum impact. In the garden, it can be a centerpiece. On the balcony, it can bring nature closer to your living space. Indoors, it can brighten a corner or entryway. Just make sure the plants get the right amount of sunlight and water. Rotate your pots occasionally so all plants get even light. And replace any fading blooms to keep your display fresh. With just a flower stand and the right arrangement, you can create a mini landscape that adds life, beauty, and personality to your home. It's a simple idea with endless creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,